Hello, teacher.
Hello, Min. Good evening. Can you hear teacher? Min, is my voice clear to you?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good today.
You're good today. That's good because you are good today. Okay. So, Min, last time or last Thursday, what we had, not Thursday, sorry, but last Friday, what we had was Unit 19. It's all about what's the matter. Now, this time, Min, is we will be doing Unit 20, okay? Let me share to you the screen here in Unit number 20.
20.
Okay, here we go, Min. So here, Unit 20, which is all about the question where. Okay, before that, Min, I have here vocabulary words. What are the given words we have?
We have we have shop, supermarket, lifts.
Okay, very good. We have shop,
Have
supermarket, and
sea,
live.
river.
You
Have
have a
mm,
rainbow?
yes. Cinema.
Okay, Min, you understand where the words shop, supermarket, and lift?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Next words, Min. What are these words we have?
Car park. Sea.
And
River.
all right, we have car park, sea, and
Cinema.
river. Okay, very easy words. Another words,
Mountain.
Min, we have
Lake.
cinema,
Mountain. Lake.
mountain, and lake. Okay, good job. Next,
Fair.
how about
Affair.
these words? Funfair,
Fair. Affair. Rock.
afraid, and rug. Correct. You understand these words?
Dusty.
Yeah. Next words, Min. What are these words? We have
I don't know the
thirsty.
stick.
Next.
Silly.
Okay, we have thirsty. You know what is thirsty?
Uh,
How about frightened? You know what is frightened?
I
You know what is frightened? So scared. Okay. And silly. Min, do you understand these words?
no.
Which one you don't understand? The word?
I don't know.
What one? Which one? You tell me. Frightened? Do you know what is frightened?
Yeah.
Okay, how about silly? Do you understand what is silly?
Yes.
You said no. Okay, now here. Now, this time in, I want you to look at the picture. Name the words under the pictures. Okay, so I have here 3 sets from letters A to D. Go, Min.
I don't. Oh, see, little boy. So, so, uh, uh, oh no. The, 1. A playground. 2. A shop. 1. A. A playground. B. A shop. C. A cinema. D. A hospital. 2. A supermarket. B. A market. C. A shop. D. A car park. 3. A farm. B. A lake. C. A river. D. A sea. I finish.
Okay, let's check now, Min. We have here a shop, a cinema, hospital, supermarket, market, shop, car park, farm, lake, river, sea. Very good. Answers are all correct. Great work. Now hear me, not yet done. Still have more.
Oh no. park, A a beach, B a beach, C a beach, D fun fair. 5. A mountain, B stairs, C a lift, D a mountain.
Okay, let's check now your answer. We have beach, 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 fun fair, mountain, stairs, lift, mountain. Very good, Min. Correctly answered. Where? Well, let me see. Okay, now here, Min, let's do movers tip in speaking part 3.
Wow!
Any reason for saying why on one picture, why one of the pictures is different is acceptable. You just have to say why you choose that picture, okay? Now
Oh no.
here, for example, I have here this one. Min, which one here do you think is different? Playground, a shop, a cinema, or a hospital?
Um, the playground is different because it's outside the shop, the cinema, and the hospital are outside. They are inside.
Okay, let's check. Very good. So the playground is different because it's outside. The shop, the cinema, and the hospital aren't outside. They are inside. Number 2, Min, which one is different?
Um, the so hard.
Which one is do you think is different, Min?
So
Supermarket, market, shop, or car park?
so hard. I don't know.
Look at there. Look at what are the people doing.
Uh, buying a car park is different because everyone is buying. This the car park is the um is the is the but the car is go home. Um,
Which one?
uh,
Look at supermarket, market, shop, and car park.
also a car park is the different
Because
because it's the go home and everyone buying, but everyone in the car is go home.
okay, number 3. How about number 3?
Number 3, a farm is different because it's not have water.
Okay,
A
so
lake, a river, a sea is have water.
okay, Min. Look at your supermarket, market, shop. The different there is it's the it's the car park because as you can see, supermarket, market, and shop, these are examples of places which you can buy things. But in the car park, of course, you will not buy. Okay, it's very different. Number 3, farm, lake, river, and sea. Correct mean that the answer there is it's a farm because that's different. Okay, it's not water. Next, how about this one, Min? Number 4 and 5.
Hmm. Uh, a fun fair is different because is not in a beach.
Okay, how about number 5?
Number 5. Um.
Look at the
Um.
people.
A little different because the people is not
It's the lift
um because
lift is different because
it is different because everyone is not moved.
it's not move. Do you think there's not move? What do you think? Look at their men. Where are they going?
They are going. They are going to. They are going to. They are upflow.
Okay, very good. Here in the number 5, they are going up. Okay, they are going up. Okay, very good, Min. These are all correctly answered. All right. Now here, letter C.
Up.
Read the story, choose the word from the box, write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. All right, Min, please write the correct answers in this activity.
Hmm.
Min, look at the spelling. Careful.
Yeah. I'll have. Fred and Grace live in the town of Center, but on sunny day, they sometimes go for a go for bike rides in the countryside. Last Saturday, they rode to a little lake and jumped about the rocks next to the water there. But the ducks didn't. First saw three ducks on a small island. Come here, duck, he shouted. But duck didn't come because they were afraid of the noise. They were afraid of the noise. Don't worry about the duck now, Fred. Grace says, let's sit down under our rock. I've got some apple juice in my bag to drink. Do you want some? She asked. Yes, I'm really thirsty, Fred answered. Let's eat all our cheese sandwich now, too. Gray took the food out of her bag. Look, he said. So duck are Friday now. They can see our picnic. Let's feed them. They can give them some on now on of our bread. Good idea, says Fred. Come on, silly duck. There's lots for you to eat here. I love animals. Gray laughed. I want to be a doctor one day, but I like to help sick animals get better more than people, I think.
Okay, let's check. So Fred and Grace live in the town center, but on sunny days, they sometimes go for bike rides in countryside. Last Saturday, they rode to a little lake and jumped about on the rocks next to the water there. Fred saw three ducks on a small island. Come here, ducks, he shouted. But the ducks didn't come because they were afraid. Very good. But the spelling is wrong. You forgot letter A of the noise. Don't worry about the ducks now. Fred Gray said. Let's sit down on a rug. I've got some apple juice in my bag to drink. Do you want some? She asked. Yes, I am really thirsty. Fred answered. Let's eat all our cheese sandwiches. Oh, your sandwiches also don't have letter E. Careful, Min.
Oh, yes.
Grace took the food out of her bag. Look, she said, those ducks aren't afraid now. They can see our picnic. Let's feed them. We can give them some of our bread. Good idea, said Fred. Come on, you silly duck. There's lots for you to eat here. I love animals, Grace laughed. I want to be a doctor one day, but I'd like to help sick animals to get better more than people, I think. Very good, Min. Perfectly answered. But, Min, careful with the spelling next time, okay? Spellings are incorrect. Why? Why are you typing so fast? Okay, careful. Okay, Min, for the next lesson or for the next activity, you enter again, Min, because it's about to close.